Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use this process for customer. So for that, again navigate to merchant tool. Inside the merchant tool, we have a customer. Click on it customers. Once you click on customer, then you see this type of dashboard. Click on find. Now select the user which you want to be modified. Once you select it, then click on edit all or edit selected. Whatever you prefer, you can select. And here you can see we only have one operation, delete customer. So once you click on next, they will ask you the customer purchasing action will delete all selected customers. So once you confirm it, just click on finish. So once you click on finish the process, you can see inside the fetch process. Currently I am not deleting anything. So I'll just click on previous. So yeah, by using that process, you can delete a bulk customer in a single click. So that's the only thing we can do for customer. Thanks for watching.